What's the meaning of conversation piece? Conversation piece. Conversation piece.
Conversation piece. Conversation piece. A conversation piece is a striking or interesting object or topic that serves as a starting point for discussion or debate. It could be a work of art, a piece of furniture, or even an unusual experience. The purpose of a conversation piece is to invite conversation among people who might not otherwise have much to say to each other. It can spark curiosity, create connections, and help to break down barriers. Overall, a conversation piece is a means to facilitate communication, encourage social interaction, and build relationships.